All right, I hope you're having a great day. We are going to learn Mike Posner's new song, Move On. You will need a capo, and we're going to put that at the 2nd fret. All right, and the reason we're capoing is because we want to keep this song as beginner guitar friendly as possible, meaning we are leaving out all bar chords. So the strumming pattern is pretty easy, and the song form is intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, and a long chorus, and then we're out of the song completely. All right, so my name is Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. If you like the video, please consider liking as well as subscribing. We really appreciate the support. Let's get started. Okay, let's talk about the chords we need for this song. These will all be relative to the capo at the 2nd fret. So you've got a C, that's your 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, open on the 3rd, index, 1st fret, 2nd string, and then from the 5th string down. Then you've got a G, middle finger, 3rd fret, 6th string, index, 2nd fret, 5th, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and then pinky, 3rd fret, 1st string. You'll strum all 6. Then you've got an A minor. That's your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, 3rd finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, index finger, 1st fret, 2nd string. You're going to strum the bottom 5. And then we've got an F. All right, but we're not going to bar it because we're going to keep this super beginner. We're going to put our 3rd finger, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string, pinky, 3rd fret, 4th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, index finger, 1st fret, 2nd string. It's kind of a tongue twister after a while. Okay, so let's go through the strumming pattern really slowly. You've got down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. I'll slow it down for the intro. Down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. G, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. A minor, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. F, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay, and then you go into the verse. It happens once for the intro, and the verse is 2 times through that same progression with that strumming pattern. Then you go to the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus is G, up, down, 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 up. A minor, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And then F, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And then F again, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And then you go G, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And then A minor, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. That was on the F. And then your chorus is, you guessed it, the exact same chord progression as the intro and the verse. So down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, A minor, up, down, 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 down. And then you go back and do another verse. All right? When you go into that 2nd verse, it is twice as long, and then the pre-chorus is the same, and then you've got another chorus to the end of the song. You can end on that C. All right, that is everything you guys need to learn. Move on. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you did and you learned something, please consider liking and subscribing. We really appreciate the support, and we want to provide as much value as we possibly can to the beginner guitar community online. You guys have a great day.